Sherry, that's exactly right. Hispanics are the fastest growing population in the U.S., and about 13% over the age of 65 have some form of dementia. According to the Michigan Alzheimer's Association, most aren't even aware before it's too late.
Most people in the Latino community even don't know that they are at high risk.
Dr. Irving Vega is a neuroscientist at Michigan State University. He's one of the researchers looking for answers to a striking problem.
Hispanic and Latinos are 1.5 times more likely to develop Alzheimer's than non-Hispanic whites.
A 50% differential in the possibility to get one of these debilitating diseases. That's exactly why Dr. Vega and many other researchers in Michigan are working to find those answers.
And to break the myth that there is a genetic component specific to Latinos versus Black versus white.
Both Vega and the Michigan Alzheimer's Association think that rather than physical pathological differences, it has to do with what they call the social determinant of health. Everything from access to proper health care, healthy food, and even quality education. Factors, they say, contribute to quicker cognitive decline.
Being able to, visit with a medical professional that speaks your language can also provide, additional barriers to the ones that already exist.
That could be cultural, understanding the system coming from a different country, to discrimination.
According to the Alzheimer's Association of Michigan, 1 in 5 Latinos believe discrimination is a barrier to receiving care or even an early diagnosis. That's why they've begun a campaign called Some Things Come with Age to increase awareness within our state's Hispanic communities.
To bring information regarding Alzheimer's disease, what are the risk factors, and importantly, what you can do to reduce that risk.
Well, if you or someone you know is at a heightened risk for any form of dementia and is around the age of 60, you should visit 10signs.org to get more information on telltale signs and early detection. Para más información, visite 10signales.org. Back to you.